This should be a vectors question, but hey, let's go. A particle P of mass 2 kilograms is moving under the action of a constant force F newtons. The velocity of P is 2I minus 5j meters per second at time t equals 0, and 7I plus 10j meters per second t equals 5. We're asked to find the speed of P when t equals 0. The speed of P will be the magnitude of the velocity vector 2I minus 5j. So the speed is mod 2I minus 5j. We use Pythagoras to calculate that, so it's the square root of 2 squared plus 5 squared, which we can calculate to be 5.4 meters per second. We're told it's a constant force, which means it's constant acceleration. So we can use the vector form of the equation v equals u plus at. The velocity at time t equals 5 is 7I plus 10j. This equals the initial velocity, 2I minus 5j, plus t times the acceleration vector, or 5 times the acceleration vector a. From this, we can calculate the acceleration vector equal to I plus 3j. Now, applying F equals ma, the force F equals 2 times the acceleration vector, so the force F equals 2I plus 6j. We're then asked to calculate the value of t when P is moving parallel to I. So again, we're going to use v equals u plus at. So the velocity at time t will be the initial velocity 2I minus 5j plus t times the acceleration vector, I plus 3j. We rearrange this to collect together the I and j terms, and we have v equals 2 plus ti plus 3t minus 5j. P is moving parallel to I when the j component is 0. So this is when 3t minus 5 equals 0, so when t equals 5 over 3, which is what we've been asked to calculate.